If there's more than just yourself working on your website, you must create a new user for each person, as you definitely don't want to be sharing usernames and passwords. To create a new user, go to the Users menu and select User Manager. Here we can see a list of all the users currently on our site, and to create a new user, click on the New button and complete the form. Enter their full name, the login name they want to use, their password, and their email address. When you've given them these details, they will of course be able to change the password for themselves. We now need to assign this new user to a user group. We do this by clicking on the tab. Here we can see a list of all the available user groups. By default, the registered user group is selected, but this is only used for front-end access, not for access to our administrator. If we want to give this new user exactly the same privileges as ourselves, we can select Super User. There are two other options you could choose. If you choose Administrator instead, then they will be able to do almost everything that you can do, but they will not be able to install any new templates or extensions. There's a further option you could choose which is lower than that, called Manager. If you select Manager, then they will only be able to create content, whether that's within the content menu or within a specific component. They won't be able to create modules or create menu links. I'm going to leave this new user as Manager and click Save and Close. We can see that the user has been created with a user group of Manager. Before giving the user details to your new user, you should really check to make sure that everything works how you want. So go up to the top right and log out, and then log in as that user. As you can see, I'm now logged in as a user with only Manager privileges. So there's only a Contents and a Components menu. There's no Extensions menu and no menu for creating new menus or creating new users.